The day has finally come for me to actually take this down and do something with it. So I need to detangle this side extra carefully, so I thought I would show that, mention that I pick at my hair a lot, and this side is the side I always pick at. It's pretty bad, and it makes it tangle at the ends, makes it knot up. So yeah, this side isn't so bad. You can see the curls are still like intact, and if I just put leave-in conditioner on it, I could separate these like easy. But this side is my doing, so I need to like have some negative reinforcement. Maybe I'll stop picking at it. As in all videos, pretty much the first thing I do is use leave-in conditioner and water, a spray bottle, just really saturate my hair. Help like with the strands slipping over each other. You can kind of pull it and separate it, and then when you run into problem spots, take your time extra there. Go through and finger detangle it. When it's not so kind of toward the end, like the same thing I was saying, just kind of pull it apart, like pinch at it, and then I try to take the hairs that'll come out, take them out. Help let it make the knot smaller. Just do the little pinching thing. So see, it just comes apart. It's not connected to that big piece of hair anymore. But what happens when like I pick at it, it gets even kind of matted at the root, and it's just kind of like a puff of hair. It's a shame. If it's like kind of matted at the roots, you do that same like pinching thing. You pinch it apart like that. But the thing I like to do is, or make sure you start from the top, from the roots, because I think that way, as you're going down, if you do get any knots, you're working them toward the bottom, so you don't want to knot at your roots, and then you have to deal with it that close to the scalp, and you lose that hair if you have to cut it out. So yeah, work your way down. Pinching as you go down. Pinch and separate. So I'm pretty much done with this side, this problem side. Had to cut out some knots, unfortunately, but the rest of it will just be like that other wash and detangle video that I showed you guys, where you use leave-in conditioner and a shower brush. But yeah, so y'all pray that I get delivered, because I'm literally cutting out inches of my hair because of this. So I need to sit on my hands or something. I don't really know, but and even if I'm curious to see if I have my hair straightened and flat ironed, if it would be like a difference in length. Hopefully not. But yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. I don't know if anybody has the same bad habit that I have, but I hope that I was able to show you a few tricks on how to take your time and go through it and, you know, deal with this. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.
Just putting the church on notice. Letting y'all know that the best is yet to come. We're so proud of you, Cody. And I couldn't be more prouder being the uncle of this young man here. I mean, an outstanding young man, one that we're very proud of. He's got the love and support. So it's like, not only are you getting him, but you're getting all of us.
All right.